Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. You guys, it's 9:15 right now. I just starting my shift and I received a shopping order, $11 for 1 mile, and I'm only going to shop for 8 items. So let's go. Give me 3 of these. All right. We are done. Let's go deliver it. I am here. 2363. It's a daycare. Let's drop at a daycare. I just received another order, you guys. $31 for 9 miles, 3 customer drop off. So my first, they already loaded my car. So let's go to my first customer, which is 10 minutes away, y'all. 10 minutes away. So let's go. 4441. I think it's this one. 44. Yeah. Good morning. They are waiting for me outside. It's delivered. Hello. You got it? Alright, have a good one. Let's go to 4069. This 4069? No, this is 65. 69 is this one. Oops, almost missed it. Let's go. Our second drop off. Alright. This one. He said to leave as close to the door as possible. Let's put here for him. 45.96. Here we come. 45.96. Uh-oh. Is that dog on a leash? No, it wasn't, but they just put it inside. Okay, let's drop our third drop off. Okay. $23 for 3 miles, and it's 3 customer drop off. So let's go pick it up. $2.94. I'm here for the first drop off. $2.90. Oh, that's $2.96. Did I miss it? Yep, I missed it. Let me back up. Let me wait for this car. There we go. $2.94. You guys, I'm here to deliver my second drop off, and I just called the lady because she said to go at the dock because this is a business. So she says she's coming down, and let me get out. Maybe they have different docks here, but who knows. And I don't like this place. It's so packed and stuff, and it's by the road. Okay, that's all right. This is why we're delivering trash cans and all this bigger. But thankfully, people came to help your girl. So let's go drop our third drop off, which is only 1 minute from here. Only 1 minute. Let's go. I'm standing here waiting to deliver my third drop off. This is a business again, and I called the customer. She says she's coming out. But the problem is, I don't know if I'm at the right place, like entrance, like door. I don't know if I'm at the right door. So let's wait and see. Just received another order, you guys. $30. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 2 people. All the items is 24 items. So it's going 6 miles. Did I say that? I don't know. So let's go in and shop this order. I just now finished eating, y'all, and I don't have no energy to go in the store and start walking around. So, but we gotta do what we gotta do. I was hoping to get a curbside order, but I saw that $30. I was like, I have to go. But I'm so full. But let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I am done shopping, and I am at the first customer. So this is here is A, and this is B. So right now we're about to deliver B. Custom B. So let's go. Oh. All right, for our next drop off, we have to go 11 minutes to go to our second drop off. So let's go. 209. The other way. 209. Here we come. Let's drop our last order. Let me try to go the way because I have a heavy stuff. Alright, let's go back. We just received another offer, you guys. $29. It's going 5.8 miles, and it's a shopping order. And we're going to shop for 30 items. I can talk. 30 items, you guys. So let's go in and shop this order, you guys. Time is going. Time is really going. I have like only 2 more hours to work. I am done shopping, y'all. It's time to go at checkout. So you guys, right now we no longer scan here. We have this one in our phone right now. That's when we take the scanner and scan it through our phone. That's how we do it now. Things are changed now. All right, we're going to 3905. This is 705 is here. You know what? I need to. Okay, let me back it in. That's the easy way that we can get this heavy stuff. Okay, this is what we have in here. So let's start to deliver. Should I start with the heavy ones or bags? Let me start with bags. How about that? You guys, I got it. I just received another order, you guys. $16. Oh, thank you. $16 going 4.4 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. 7 items, y'all. Let's go shop this order. Okay. Let's go shop and come back and do our last one. Our last order. Most of my items is on this section, so let's grab our first one. 41. This one. 57. 57. 31. This one. Okay, the last one is 81. This one. Okay, now we have 3 more items. Let's go to get them. I'm going to K, I'm going to J, and I'm going to A's. Let's go. Done, all done. Let's go at checkout. This was super easy shop. Okay, we almost. It's telling me to go here. It's in the woods, y'all. Come on now. What's going on? Oh, that's the house. Oh my gosh. I was driving crazy and there was a hole over there. Okay, I think police officer live here. Okay. Let's go. So you guys, after my last drop off, I thought that I was gonna go back at Walmart to give one more order, but I'm not. I wanna end my shift over here and right now. So today I worked for 6 hours, and in total I made 142, y'all. 142. It's not bad. It's fantastic. It's cool. It was very good day. It was very blessed day. I'm so thankful. So happy Thursday. I hope your day is going to be great as well. So if you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. If you have been watching this channel and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to turn your bell notification on so every time I post you get notified. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.